Chemistry Hub. Today we will learn some MCQs from the structure of atom. So let's start. First, the maximum number of electron in third energy level is option A 10, option B 18, option C 32, and option D is 64. The maximum number of electron in the third energy level is, as we know, according to the 2n square formula. In any shell we can accommodate the electron. N is the shell number, and here we have a diagram of an atom. That is the first shell. According to this formula, 2n square formula, the first shell have maximum number of 2 electron. The second shell, according to this formula, have a maximum number of 8 electron, while in the third shell, according to this formula, the maximum number of electron are 18, as we calculated here. So the option B is correct, that the maximum number of electron in third energy level are 18. Next, the mass of an atom is mostly due to its option A nucleus, option B neutrons, option C electrons, and option D protons. As we know that an atom consists of 3 fundamental particles: electron, proton, and neutron. And in the nucleus, atom has proton and neutron. So the neutron and proton are present in the nucleus. So whole mass of an atom is concentrated in the nucleus, which are responsible by the proton and neutron. So the mass of an atom is mostly due to its nucleus. So option A is correct. Next, question number 3. If Rutherford had used neutron instead of alpha particle in a scattering experiment, the neutron would option A not deflect because they have no charge, option B have deflected more often, option C have been attracted to the nucleus easily, and option D have given the same result. Now, if Rutherford used neutron instead of alpha particle, which he had bombarded on gold foil, so if he used neutron, then no deflection, because neutron has no charge. Rutherford would not have been able to discover the nucleus of an atom. If he had used the neutron, then Rutherford would not have been able to discover the nucleus of an atom. So if he used the neutron, there is no deflection. So here the option A is correct. Not deflect because they have no charge, because neutron is a neutral particle. Next, electron in its ground state does not Option A, spin. Option B, revolve. Option C, radiate energy. Option D, reside in orbit. As we know, in an orbit, electrons are revolving continuously and they do not radiate any energy in the same orbit. So, electrons are revolving, electron will spin, electron reside in the same orbit, but the thing is that when electron in the same orbit, they do not radiate any energy. So the option C is correct. Next question. Which statement about X and Y is false? X and Y are the two isotopes. As we know that they have same atomic number but different mass number. As both have the same atomic number because they have same number of proton and electron. Both have the same number of electron as well as proton, so both are the same element. Only they differ in their number of neutron. Because if we see these two atoms, X contains 6 electron and Y contains 6 electron. Similarly, 12 is the mass number and here 14 is the mass number. And if we calculate the number of neutron, we can divide the atomic mass number. We can divide the atomic number from its mass number. So we can get 6 neutron in X and we can get 8 neutron in Y. So the option D is correct because they have different number of neutron in actual, but here in the statement they have same number of neutron. This statement is false according to this question. So the option D is correct. Next, number 6, the neutron particles. Option A has mass equal to that of electron, has a mass approximately equal to that of a proton. Option C has a charge equal but opposite to that of an electron, and option D has a positive charge. As we know that a neutron is a particle which is no charge and its mass is heavier than electron, so the option B is correct, has a mass approximately equal to that of a proton. Next question number 7. isotopes of the same element have same number of proton, same number of neutron, different number of electron, or same mass number. So and the option A is correct because an isotopes of the same element have same number of proton. They have similarly. Next question, which one is the lightest? Option A, an alpha particle. Option B, an hydrogen atom. Option C, an electron. And option D is a proton. So the answer is the lightest in these is the electron, and the heaviest in these is the alpha particle. Alpha particle has a mass equal to 6.642 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 24, and proton have the mass 1.67 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 27, while electron has a mass equal to 9.10938 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 31. So here the option C is correct because among these electron is the lightest particle. Next, the nucleus of an atom has all of the following characteristics except, that is, mean to say nucleus have all the properties which are given below except one. Which one is? A nucleus is a positively charged. B, nucleus is a very dense. C, a nucleus contains nearly all the atoms mass. D, nucleus contains nearly all the atomic volume. So here we can see that nucleus is a positively charged. It is correct. It is a very dense area. It is also correct for the nucleus, and it contains nearly all of the atoms mass. It is also correct, but option D, the nucleus contains nearly all of the atomic volume. According to this question, option D is correct. Next, L shell has soft shell. As we know that the shells are indicated by alphabets, as the first shell is denoted by K and the second shell is denoted by L, and number of orbital or subshell according to their shell number. This is the first shell. It contains one orbital, that is s orbital, and L shell is the second shell, and second shell contains two orbital, that is s and p. So here the option B is correct. That's for all. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share to your friends and fellows so that we can grow each other. Thank you very much.